Hey everyone, I'm Chris Miller with eSource Miller. We're a Paradigm company, and we're at the 2025 NAFEM show, and we're in the CADDY booth. And I want to introduce my friend Tom and just have him just tell you a little bit about what he does and some of the new products that are coming out with CADDY. So Tom?
Hi, thank you, Chris. Tom Cowley here with CADDY Corporation, Business Development Manager. Wanted to talk about our new product, the HydroWave. This is a agitating sink that creates motion so we can clean sheet pans and other utensils that you may want to hang inside of there, and definitely helps to kind of save labor. You can drop the items inside the tank, the agitation can help clean it, and they can go off and do some other things. Typically you'll see multiple tanks. We'll have a wash tank and a rinse tank, and that's what these items here can hang on those dividers, and it makes it easier for these baskets to clean those items. The control panels right here, it does have a variable speed motor. And as you can see, we have a tank heater as well. And we are going to put UV in here to add some sanitation, and that would just kind of create more levels of cleanliness. And we feel this is going to be a great addition to our soil dishroom portfolio.
So what does this do up here?
So you have two different control options. You can do a standard kind of dial control, or you can do our digital control here. We always like the digital control. It's much easier to read and much easier to kind of determine what's going on at this time. But for simplification, we can always do our standard controller as well.
Okay. And this basket will hang in here?
Yep, the basket typically hangs on the divider on the back, where we have our rack guide hanger as well.
Awesome.
And again, you can create these as custom as you want with overshelves. Dual overshelves if necessary, all kinds of pots, pot fillers, or gooseneck sinks and things like gooseneck faucets. We can do all that kind of stuff. So these are very custom pieces that can fill kind of whatever footprint that we need for whatever application that we're trying to solve.
That's awesome. Well, you got some other stuff you want to show us?
Yeah, so with our HydroWave, we also have what's called the HydroSave, which is our recirculator, so we can help to clean those dishes, save water, still capture all the gunk and all the debris, and then we can empty that out in the trash can instead of having it go down the drain. But another great piece that goes in conjunction with the soil dish room as well as the HydroWave. So it's kind of a multi-solution type of product here. So, and it has two different layers. We have our collector here, and then we have two layers of wrapping inside of here, inside the tank.
It's a basket in there that you lift out that you can dump the excess in.
Yeah,
right?
so then we would do something kind of like this, and we'd be able to throw that in the trash, and then it wouldn't go down the drain. And then we also have a secondary one for smaller items. So should they get through the larger holes, we'll have a secondary collector that will grab all these items as well.
Probably saves on waste as well.
Exactly. Absolutely. Helps save on waste, control water costs as well. So we're using a lot less water to kind of create this capture as well. And then as you can see, we can always create custom trough designs to kind of lead up to the collector. Whether it's skate wheels or rollers, we have all kinds of options for the products that are being brought in.